have my grandma's on you. Okay, Chidinwa.
But you're the church I am.
Hey, you give me a name in church. Instead, you see fresh okra. Nanaija market. Look at your street. Do not close it very well. Look at little better. I will up. Go ahead, it. Quero dar dinheiro de pedir. Aspetta, tiri tu passi di là.
Concentrate.
Ok, metti su calore. No, uva, no. One of these two. So let's take pasta. Take meat station. Aspetta.
Mamma, aspetta. Mamma, aspetta. Voglio di questo.
Okay. You always help us. See fresh okra. Nanaija market. Machima.
Jude, now cut down. Jude, I know how they fast. Jude, needs you wire. So, and people are here now. So, to leave that one.
Here we come. Then you can look what you're doing. Don't go there. Over one. Shopping. Can you see? Oops. Can you see? Woollah for daddy, eh? It's not much. Clock it. Let's pack. So I will start with my pasta. Come on, Greeks. Better. It's better. Our egg. Hello. Our son. I had for sex this evening. Hot dog. It's not much. Guys, I'm tired of it. Since morning. Here I have my grandma's on you. Okay, Chidinwa.
But you're the church I am.
Hey, you give me a name in church. Our family friend, I should give her one in the church. Yeah, I don't even know. You're not going to church tomorrow, then, on Sunday. You're going here in Campo Galeano. You know?
Yeah.
So, guys, I'll end the video because it's washed. Now it's almost Miranda thing and my veggies. You know? Annabelle will handle other things, you know? Because I'm tired. Miranda is 3 man handling it.
No.
So 2 shillings, not just 3 because you have 2 packets in it. So guys, thanks for watching till now. And see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.